Good brake pad stock or?
So pads, MX72 Plus at the front, brand new, just put them on this week, but bedded in. Rears are MX72, but stock rotors, both.
We won't go too hard, but I just don't want to.
That's fine, but the rears you will feel the vibration, because I thought the fronts were the problem. They're not. It's the back. So I've got new rotors coming, but and it's on the stock PS4 tyres, so they're not super grippy.
To turn everything off, it's the double
this
press.
one and hold, I think. Press and hold.
I thought you had to press them both.
There you go. That's got traction and ESP off. So that one puts it in track mode, no matter how long you hold it. This one will kill everything if you hold it. If you just press it.
Okay. I remember because I drove one of these at Subaru and Pro Speed at World Time Attack.
Yeah.
I remember there was a partial, like it to let you have half a slide, but then
yeah,
it wouldn't. So these things, I'm guessing they have so much grip. I think third's probably. So with your cones at this place,
yeah,
you sort of, if you had extensions on your mirror,
yeah,
you should be hitting them with the mirror essentially.
Sure.
If that makes sense.
Yeah. So you want to be real close to them.
Trail braking here, yeah. So your concrete there.
Yeah.
You should be getting. So here, run out to deputy. Get the car on a bit of an angle through here.
Yeah.
Over that bit of concrete. You're nearly hitting that cone, but if you hit the top of the concrete, it's actually dry.
Sure.
Middle of the concrete's not.
Okay.
Here, same story. The flat part of the concrete, not the top part.
Sure.
Because the top bit's a bit of an angle on it. Here's drying, so look out your mirror. Make sure you're going to get that cone there again.
Yeah.
Hit it with your mirror.
Yeah, nice. Okay.
So then just head up here. Probably let it have a rev in third. So you brake on the way into the cone. So you're braking, lift, brake, throttle, out wide. All the way down here. Pull it up. Flat part of the concrete there.
You go as hard as you want to go. It's not going to worry me at all. I'm not at all worried.
I don't need to burn your car up for you.
That's fine, as long as, yeah, whatever you're comfortable.
Bit of a lift to get the nose. Feel the grip back on the throttle. Pull it up. Bit of a lift to get the nose.
Yeah, I see.
Is the air conditioning auto turn off on this?
Sorry?
The air conditioning's on. Do you want it on? Or?
Nope. Off. It tends to cut out at max
It does?
accelerator in it.
Run out wide, the lift, get the nose in.
I'm starting to learn the way out of a slide is to keep your foot on it.
Well,
bit
gentle,
longer.
it's a balance, so it depends on the slide, because everyone
Sure.
might be a bit different, so you pick a slide before you do that.
Yeah, it can be dangerous, I
Well,
think.
there's no, absolutely depends on the slide. These things stop so well.
And these, it's mind bending when you put the track tyres on it, the extra grip. It's like your face is being sucked off. Yes.
I ain't done it in a while.
And just losing skid pans and stuff, is that?
Oh, skid pan's a really good way to do it. There's no doubt about that. Skid pan's a great way to learn it.
Giving the crowd a good show, that's for sure.
So that's the lift off turning throttle on.
This is the best of both.
Starting to get hot, okay?
Yeah. It's alright. Yeah, it's on this. It's just so annoying. It's alright. It's the steering wheel. It's very kind of you to leave these marks so I know the racing line.
Well, that's the racing line out there. Last time.
Yeah, I was going to say, I'm pretty sure that was standing.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so controlled. Oh, that's spectacular.
So this is practice. So, and even here, like driving this first time, you get better the more you practice it. You know?
Sure,
so.
sure. Because they can't kick us off because I'm like, it's not, hey, it's my car, but I wasn't driving. And you can say, well, hey, he told me to go faster, so I went faster. It's like, win-win. This is awesome. Oh, wow. That is so good. So,
not fast, mate.
no, it doesn't have to be though.
Thank you for letting me do that. That was
makes
fun.
us laugh. That's what I love. So good. So I want to be confident enough to be able to know that it'll stay out of a wall. Like you can drift that around that wall there and you don't have any concern that it's going to go into the wall.
No.
I'm watching it thinking if this was me driving, I'd be concentrating on the wall and I'd probably put it into the wall. So I love seeing other people drive it in a way that...
So skid pan is certainly the... Most people...
That kind of oversteer because it was braking lift off. Oh. It felt like you got it. Felt like you got it oversteering by using the brake.
Yeah, I do on the way in. So lift off, flick. Then you can hold the slide with a little bit of. Use the wheel.
Yeah.
But that's practice. So you're midway, you almost give it a flick.
Entering a state is not possible. Say the name of the zip
No, you can't kill it permanently. I don't know how to.
Somebody videoing, I don't know if it's a friend of yours, but
What's that?
Somebody videoing up.
Yeah, that is my mate. He's got exactly the same thing, a silver Gen 2. So he'll just tell all his mates, yeah, this was me driving my car. No one will know the difference.
Lift off.
Yeah.
And then you're on.
Yeah, you can feel the transition, I suppose.
Back tires getting hot.
Yeah, well, that's alright. This is why I've got these stock tyres still, so I can do stuff like this and
Absolutely.
learn on
You're not
lower
doing that on
grips.
racing tyres because it's just too expensive.
Yeah, and I figure I'm better off learning on days like this with coaches with less grip and
Yep.
learn those
100%.
limits than I am.
But here you can feel the grip coming and going as you're tipping it in there.
Sure.
That takes a bit of practice. 'Cause
Sure.
You can certainly get that wrong.
Yeah.
But a skid pan, like the skid pan days we do,
Yeah.
you can probably enter them. What club are you in?
Yeah, BRZ. I've been
So-
to one that David helped.
Yeah, a lot. I talked to Dave the other day about you guys that really should be part of the Tri Club series. And-
I'm coming tomorrow.
Yeah,
do
and then
this
you guys
one.
can do all our events. Come and do skid pan.
Yeah.
And it is the best way to learn in these cars because it's the safest environment to learn to
Absolutely.
do that because you can hold a drift, quite
Absolutely.
nicely, quite easily. So we're doing the same thing there every time. Which
Yeah.
is good, so.
Yeah. We're just adding to the same line.
Yeah.
I did the BRZ Club skid day, or skid pan day last, I don't know when it was, doesn't matter, a while ago. And there's another one in 3 weeks, so I'm busting to go back. It's
This
so much
is
fun.
Really good fun. And, turn everything off and get used to it. If you spin out, like so what? It doesn't matter.
Yeah, exactly. And I'm never out of first gear anyway, so
Yeah.
you
well,
stop pretty quick if you
if
do
they
lose it.
can get it up into second, if there is any of them that they do, that'd be nice.
Yeah.
Let you out to do some, like being the BRZ club, if you could open them up to an event where you can I'm just calling it now by the way.
Yeah, that's fine. Yep.
So but still drive online when you're doing this and you cool it
Yep.
down. Still practice. A, it's practice. B is shit falls off race cars all the time.
Yeah.